Bottling beer is one of the options that brewers have for final product packaging. Bright beer tanks are used as buffer storage vessels prior to beer packaging. They are also a point for final quality control checks. Beer carbonation is adjusted to its target level with the help of carbonation stone and by controlling temperature and pressure in the tank. After labeling, the cleaned and rinsed bottles are inspected prior to packaging. Before bottling can begin, the beer supply lines and the bottle filler also need to be cleaned and sanitized. Bottling is performed at a low temperature, which helps to keep carbon dioxide in the solution. It is also important to reduce the oxygen pickup to a minimum. Bottle evacuation with CO2 is done for the purpose of air removal. At the same time, bottles are pressurized with carbon dioxide. Counterpressure filling helps control the filling rate as well as preventing fobbing and CO2 loss. Bottles are crowned immediately after filling and checked for content level. The crimp gauge is used to assure packaged bottles have a proper seal.